Over the past 8 years, as a manufacturer of high-end physiotherapy equipment, Kappa Physio's equipment has been sold mainly to Europe and America, earning high recognition in those markets. In 2025, while talking with some of our Southeast Asia clients, we learned about their struggle to find high-quality yet affordable physiotherapy equipment. That's why we decided to expand into the Southeast Asia market to bring our premium product to more people and make healthcare accessible to everyone. Online communication can't replace real-life experience, so we are bringing our product directly to local trade show. Here is how our exhibition process works. Step 1. Invite customers. Before the exhibition, we promote event and invite local and nearby clients to visit. Step 2. Hands-on experience. At the exhibition, we provide one-on-one service, letting customers try the equipment and answering their questions. Step 3. Place an order. We accept local currency payments. After trying the equipment, customers can place orders on site. Step 4. Pack and pick up. If you place an order, you can collect it on the last day of the exhibition. Step 5. Installation and training. If needed, we offer on-site installation and one-on-one training to ensure you can use the equipment confidently. That's our exhibition ordering process. Our recent successes. In this May, we attended Vietnam MEDI-PHARM 2025 and got many great feedback from our clients. Also, at the same time, we attend the World Health Expo in this July. All equipment we bought here have been sold out. Our upcoming events. We will attend Medical Philippines in Manila from August 13 to 15. And at this September, we'll meet you in Thailand. Southeast Asia is a long-term market for us. No matter you are a C-end user, such as the physiotherapist, vet, fitness enthusiast, or a B-end user, such as medical distributor, dealer, or book order client, we've got you covered. Let's grow the Southeast Asia market together. Win-win for all.